Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Russia's cancer vaccine breakthrough. Russia has announced the development of a personalized mRNA-based cancer vaccine to treat cancer patients. The vaccine will be distributed free of cost to Russian citizens starting in early 2025. It was announced by Andrei Kapran, head of the Radiology Medical Research Center, and involves advanced AI techniques for customization. Rising cancer rates in Russia, with over 635,000 cases reported in 2022, underline the vaccine's importance. Before we proceed, let us inform you that all classes of Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar have now been shifted to Noida. Admissions are open for the IAS-GS Foundation course offline batch in English medium. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida. For location details, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call 9311 406 440. If you wish to receive a call back from our counselors, fill out the form provided in the description. Let's talk about the details of the vaccine. The vaccine uses tumor-specific genetic material to train the immune system to target cancer cells. It stimulates an immune response by exposing the body to unique antigens found on cancer cells. Each dose cost approximately 300,000 rubles to produce, fully funded by the Russian government. Advanced neural network computing by the Ivanikov Institute ensures quick customization within 30 minutes to an hour. Let's now discuss global efforts in personalized cancer vaccines. The US tested an mRNA vaccine for glioblastoma, showing strong immune responses within 2 days. The UK is trialing a personalized vaccine for melanoma, demonstrating improved survival rates. These efforts highlight a global shift towards individualized cancer treatment using mRNA technology. Russia's vaccine positions the country among leaders in innovative cancer therapies. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, what is the primary function of Russia's mRNA cancer vaccine? Prevent tumor formation, cure all types of cancers, train the immune system to target cancer cells, or replace chemotherapy treatments? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.